How to collect water in Sons of the Forest. So the method depends on whether you want to drink it immediately or store it for later. So first is basically drinking it immediately. So you do not need an item to drink. So just basically find a river, lake, or pond since ocean water is undrinkable. Once you find one, just basically move close to it. Then you should see this prompt where if you hold it, you'll just basically drink the water directly just like that. Though drinking dirty water in a normal game would slightly damage your health. To carry water with you, you need a container. And the easiest one to get early is the 3D printed flask. So what you need to do is go to the entertainment bunker, which is basically the green circle on your GPS near the cave entrance. So if you follow the mission, you'll eventually stumble upon it. And it will cost you 100 ml of printer resin. And as you can see, we have it right here on our inventory. So you just basically need to equip it. Then stand next to a water source. What you need to do now is press E on your keyboard to fill it, just like that. And you should be basically good to go. And if you want to dump out the liquid in it, just basically right click and it will dump out whatever's inside. What you can also do is by crafting or building a rain catcher, which requires 1 turtle shell and 12 sticks. So when it rains just like this, it will fill the shell with rainwater, which automatically gives you clean water. So you can drink from it or fill your flask from it. So as you can see right here, it's filled up, so you can now drink directly from it or use your flask to put water into it. Just do note that if you fill your flask with dirty water, it technically stays dirty. So if you want to clean it, you must boil dirty water, and to do that, just basically find a cooking pot. So this can be found on random camps and also the West Beach campsite. Fill the pot with dirty water. After that, you can store it in your inventory first, and the next thing that you want to do is build a fire. So you can grab some sticks, look at the ground, click on left click to add it right there, and light it up with your lighter. After that, interact with it, find the cooking pot, and you should now have the ability to craft or boil water by clicking on this gear icon. You just simply need to wait until the lid comes off. And as you can see, the water is now good if you see the cooking pot like that. What you want to do now is get your 3D printed flask and interact with it just like that to fill up your flask. And now you could put it back in your inventory. And then you could also get your cooking pot right here or drink directly from the pot just like that. And that is how you basically collect water in Sons of the Forest.